Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you a VS Code extension which allows you to actually provides the paths intelligence feature. So let's suppose you have different files available inside your directory. If you want to include them inside your project, it will actually show you this auto completion result whenever you are including external files. So the name of the extension is path Intellisense. So if you go to the extensions tab, just write this extension, which is path Intellisense. So the very first extension which comes, which is developed by this person, which is Christian Kohler, and you can just see it is used by 14 million downloads are there. So simply now click the install button, simply install this plugin. So once you install this inside your project, what you need to do inside your index.html, so we can create a simple file here, index.html. So if you want to include something right here, so you will actually see, let's suppose I want to include this script file and the CSS file. So how we can include this? So I will simply write in the href tab, basically I want to include the CSS file. So what I will do, dot slash, and now you will actually see all these suggestions will come. It makes it really easy. So you will see all these suggestions will come using this path intelligence feature. So we can see, simply navigate to the CSS folder. So you can see inside this we have present style.css. We can include this file, and now to include the JavaScript file, we can include in the CSS folder. We do have the JS folder. You will see this auto completion really helps us in including the files, really easy. You will see that. So in this way, this path intelligence feature, if you have external files that you want to include, if they are present in nested folders, then it provides you this autocomplete feature while you are including the files. Whenever you write dot slash, it will actually provide you this auto completion results. Easily you can select whichever file that you want to include, and this makes it really easy because you don't want to remember names of the files. You can simply use this autocomplete very easily. So in this way, this extension works. It's very simple extension, but it's really powerful. It will save you a lot of time because in many projects you don't want to remember names of the files. So it really makes it really easy to work with the files inside your project. If the files are present in a nested directory, you can use these auto completion result using this extension, which is path intelligence. So simply install this and use it inside your VS Code. And thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Please hit that like button and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which is a tool-based website which contains thousands of free tools related to audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.